Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 20th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on gold, I think there's a very good likelihood this is the end of a pullback right here. It looks like a really nice pattern. Looks like nice impulsive down wave A, three waves up, three waves down, five waves up for a 335 expanding flat for the wave B. Then we have a nice downtrend for a wave C. Yes, it did go beyond the 61, but it wasn't really able to close below that too well. I think there's a good chance that is the end of a pullback. We need to see a break of structure to really confirm it. But I think that we will get that break of structure, and I think there's a good chance that we may even end up going all the way back up and making a new all-time high. This could be like a wave three, this could be a wave four, and now we're in the wave five. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracer on the last impulsive move up. We got one wave down, we got a corrective wave up, we got another wave down. If we get a nice Fibonacci bounce today, a nice break of structure to the upside, that's probably going to be the entry we're looking for. Then if it goes up and gives us this break of structure, that should give us even more confidence this really is the end of a pullback right here, and that it's going to be making higher highs, higher lows on like the 4 hour time frame for the next probably week or more, hopefully going all the way back up to all-time highs. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.